Hi everyone, good morning. This is the nature of the Philippines. Look at what is the very beautiful creature of our God, our Lord Jesus Christ. He created our nature. That's why Philippines is very beautiful. What we are looking now is the nature of our Philippines. This is the very nice view. It's very good looking. I love the view of the Philippines. Very nice. God is very creative. What we are looking now is a good of a nature. It's a very beautiful, good looking. And now we are here. We're come into the forest. We are going to harvest the corn. This is the farm of our neighborhood. This is what we are going now. Come and join me to harvest.